Okay, so this is a video on my trekking bike here. The the rack on it is a little bit weak. These brackets on it, forward brackets, they bounce back and forth. And the height from the tire to the bottom of the rack is a little too short. So I've opted for a replacement. So take off these panniers, get a little bit better look at this rack here. It's been a good rack. I've used it, but it's just not got enough clearance because I want to put a mud flap in between there, and it's maxed its height out. So this is going to be a replacement video on this rear rack on this trekking bike. Yeah, these little spacers, I use a lot of bike racks seem to use this style, and they do work, but they're not very strong. End up bending. Of course, it's aluminum, so the good thing about aluminum is you can usually bend it back. Move to the other side on it here. And I use this as my everyday, so I'm pretty picky about how I keep it, because bicycles, usually you have to maintain bicycles a lot to keep them in good rideable condition. Cleaner chains, well-oiled chains are more efficient. Of course, the main thing is the tires, and gears. So I'm going to remove this rack here. Here's the old rack, and here is the new rack. I just got this in a couple hours ago, so I'm pretty excited about it. Let's start with snapping these little clips. I really like this particular brand for parts because they have really good quality. As you can see, this rack is quite well made. It's got side plates. If you look at this old rack setup, this old rack, it does work, but it's kind of dinky. The main thing though is the length right here. So you can see this one's got a little bit more height, so it should have a little more clearance. Has a melting kit right here. These two pieces.